Keep keys organized and secure in this multi-key safe from Barska. This safe features numbered hooks and colored key tags that can make key identification quick and easy. The digital keypad retains 2 PIN codes and can also be accessed with the included keys. Users can return keys using the return drop slot located on the side. Ideal for key storage at home, office, and much more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Secure Key Box Organizer. Barska Quick Access Key Cabinet Digital Wall Safe can hold up to 100 keys on numbered hooks and comes with colored key tags. Our key cabinet is designed to be spacious, well-constructed, and convenient for securely storing your keys. Number 2. Purpose. Ideal for home, office, property managers, apartment complexes, car lots, car dealerships, repair shops, and many more. Number 3. Solid steel construction. Solidly built with durable steel, tamper-resistant edges, and equipped with 2 built-in pry-resistant steel deadbolts. Number 4. Advanced digital keypad lock. Our top-quality digital keypad can store 2 unique PIN codes to make key identification quick and easy, and alerts when batteries are low. Number 5. Key deposit slot. There is a key deposit slot on the side of the safe that allows users to deposit keys. Number 6. Includes AA batteries X4, backup keys X2, colored key tags set X1, mounting hardware X1, and user manual X1. Number 7. Mounting. The safe comes with pre-drilled holes and mounting hardware, allowing the key cabinet safe to be easily mounted. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.